Hey guys, my name is Dawnita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So we gonna get into some things with this maroon, also known as 99J color wig, okay? Make sure you stick around for the full video. We gonna be right back.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain.
So welcome back. Today's video is sponsored by Kemy hair, so thank you so much for kindly sending me this beautiful gorgeous unit. So this is the Kemy hair straight custom maroon red human hair 4x4 lace closure wig, and I got it in 24 inches, and this unit is drop dead gorgeous. This particular unit with the length, it costs $243. They do have coupon codes online. If you spend over $69, you get 10%. If you spend over $169, you get 15% off. And if you spend over $289, you get 20% off. You guys, this unit is so freaking pretty. I love this color. Oh, and I'm so glad that I finally have a maroon human hair wig. I'm loving the length. I'm loving everything about it. It does come with a 4x4 closure. I will say right here, you guys, there was like an extra layer of lace right here, so you know, I did my best to hide it. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that I don't like to do, like, I like plop and goes, but this unit did take a little bit of work, but it wasn't bad. Honestly, it really wasn't. I put the lace on. I used my Fenty foundation and a makeup brush, and I went underneath with I went underneath the lace to, you know, make sure the lace is going to be my skin complexion. So it does have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. I did use the combs to hold it into place. I also used the adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. The cap size is nice and comfortable. I went through with a flat iron just to give it more straightness. I was trying to achieve the bone straight look. And then, as you guys saw, it wasn't that bad, especially for someone like me who is still, you know, kind of new to the human hair wigs and laying down the edges and all that good stuff. I finally got a freaking hot comb, so that made a huge difference. I don't know what the heck took me so long getting a hot comb, but I finally have one. And then I use my wax stick as well to go on top just to help with the flyaways. And yes, this unit is so pretty. I will say that because it's already colored, you don't have to bleach, which is a plus. I also went in with my MAC press powder and my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I just went in along the hairline after I made my baby hairs, y'all. I hope y'all like them, because again, I'm like kind of new to this, you know, but I like it. This wig is soft. It doesn't tangle. There's minimal shedding. I really like this unit, and I think the price for the length is really good. $243. That's not bad, you guys. Plus you get an extra 15% off, you know, save you some coin, okay? And this is perfect for V-Day. So I'm ready to go on a nice hot date with my man, okay? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you like this unit? Do you like how I styled it? And yeah, I'm feeling the 4x4 lace closure. You know, it's not too, it's easy. I will say on the sides, you know, there isn't any lace on the sides, so just keep that in mind as well. But it's not bad. It's not bad. I would definitely say it's beginner friendly. If you want to get your feet wet into, you know, like some closures and things like that, and learning how to lay them down and seeing how they look, definitely try this unit out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.